that was 2013.
Yeah.
2013, Abi. The song been there everywhere. We can't the chill say, but we go ever see the video for the song?
Yes, we would, because right now I think of reinventing the song. I want to do a remix of the song. I'm thinking of bringing a Fino into it, doing a soft rap.
Okay.
Soft rap, make it just do and just to reinvent the song, because I mean, the fans, they ask for video of the song.
People are making me happy. They wait for the video, man, because the love wave strong inside the home.
I'm doing it for because fans are my everything. I'm doing it for them. I got to give them a video for that song.
Okay, well,
Tiwa Self don't disturb, same will do the video.
Exactly.
You know?
Tiwa Self, you can future.
That's the future, baby.
Oh, she's a free hour, but see, then I want babe we I get mad crush on. The day when she will come this show, T-bills, and then you go know say, that's in the worry. I will kiss all your leg, kiss all your body. When you reach out, only T-bills go. If you just put thermometer or anything for the body, you get beep. Who touch you? No, be Jesus Christ, so that's bolo. But your song, now the way your song say they go, it shows say man, blessed be person we get love plenty for heart.
Yes.
Say you are a lover boy kind of person. I be say, now just say you be one of those guys that they sing love, but they do hate.
They do it.
Different bad guys that outside. They form say, man, I love you. For back, they slap the babe. So now love things for you.
Yeah, my favorite topic to write about in music now love. I like to write about the good side of love.
Exactly.
The bad side of love. Because love encompasses a lot. Apart from that, I'd like to write about the streets.
Okay.
Although those songs never day out now, because I grew up in the streets.
Street boy.
Me na ghetto boy.
Street boy.
Forget say no be all ghetto boys be thieves and thugs.
Yeah.
Some of us like to preach peace, even though say we know they fear war.
Exactly, like him now.
You know that kind of thing.
Exactly.
So I like to write about the streets.
Okay.
You know, I like to talk about gossip. They say men they gossip past women.
Yeah, but now packaging,
No packaging. We just the package.
No, guys kind of.
But my favorite topic now love. I did very comfortable talking about love because it wonder me how a man from another background, another different background, and a woman from another different area and background, just see themselves, they fit die for each other. So now mystery. So this thing they baffle me. That's what I like to write about them.
And when love don't start, when it don't start like that, end of you all again.
At all,
because when the heart is talking own brain, you all keep quiet.
Enough.
All right, but the song we open the show with, just now. What's the title of that one?
Oh, na longer throat.
Longer throat. Long throat.
Longer throat. You know that guy too.
Just tell us more about the whole thing.
Okay, longer throat now. You know, as we grow now for hood now, when they say somebody get long throat, they say something you desire for that.
Yes.
So now based on say babe, babe you just see, you just like her, you just hey, this girl I need to get them.
You see now popcorn.
You know. So now based on babe where I like, and I just get this girl, man, because she's my type, So she did do me longer throat, now I make her the thing just flew. And I like to write it in it happened to me.
Okay. So longer throat. Very soon now, because before we start, just tell you say you go play small thing, and we say go freestyle. You don't want freestyle on top of the late night show things. You understand? So we'll quickly go on this break. More match break for you now. By the time we come back, we can't enter on that level for the whole interview and things. Now we're going to see talent, freestyling talent. Anytime, any day. AY, anytime that give out to us. Wonderful.
Straight
we
up.
see girls and Iyke in the building, ladies and gentlemen, and of course now today on top the late night show. Before we continue with the whole thing, don't forget to jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, follow us here and more relate, okay? At W Late Night Show, make we relate. Stan Iyke.
Agwan.
Now, aside from our longer truth now for the whole P. What else would they expect for you now for the rest of the year before we enter into our freestyling things? What thing did they expect to see from Stan Iyke anytime from now?
First and foremost, I want to embark on a tour.
Okay.
songs and stories with Stan Iyke.
Songs and stories with Stan Iyke.
Now African music they do. And African music is all about storytelling.
Yes.
Majorly about storytelling.
Yes.
So I want to embark on a tour around Lagos. You know, and then you know, with my audience, you know, just to tell them some stories, and then they sing my songs. You understand? Then after that, this longer truth.
Hey. Longer throat. No, that one, you go hear of that one when that one live. You go hear of that one. Just to give us the info, and of course we'll definitely be there too. So make we just do some things on top the acoustic now.
On top freestyle.
Yeah, so freestyle things now.
Are you serious?
Freestyle, we're opening on the freestyle P. You understand now? So easy beat, you don't ready?
Nah, not ready.
Okay, so now Stan Iyke now go anchor this one. He go they give us anybody way. This one is treated like this. You know go fit freestyle. So free yourself. Let's go. So you go first start ahead then.
Hey, let me be your lover. I want to be forever. Take me to your mother. Baby, fix it September. Baby, fire. We go dance Mama Kosa. I will get the visa. I will take you to Ibiza. Ziyoko Coco. She's rocking with my boat. I want got my coat. According to my clothes. Oh no. For this babe go fly. I go fire catapult. What this girl he do me longer throat. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, Coco.
Yeah, the Coco. I want to talk the Coco. Hey, make una hear the Coco. Hey, let me sing the Coco. Wait. You go sing your own. You sing your own time. Hey. What you talk your style?
You see us? Yo, Coco.
Say yo, Coco. She's rocking with my daughter.
Now the lyrics are not known. Now maybe never put Chook anything.
Just anything.
Anything, just play.
Okay,
I want rap. Don't worry, they show all shit. Wait till all trouser. What's wrong with you? Listen. Oh yeah, easy me sing your own. Don't tire. Just sing your own.
Do the verse again. Look at you.
He's rocking with my boy.
No, I'm on nice. Sing your own.
I'm not going to. According to my clothes.
Hey.
What this babe go fly, I go fire catapult. What this girl he do me longer throat. Ha. Oh yeah.
What are they coming?
Yo, Coco.
No sing off cue.
Fire catapult.
Chai! Easy!
Before this babe go.
Easy beat!
I go give her my number.
Easy beat!
Cause I didn't see her for your eyes.
Why you which have
And they do this thing for you now. Don't worry. Now what do they do? You know the yes and Iyke. What they do? But wait. Must Stan Iyke wait. Where that because I they love that thing. They make it very, very sensual. You understand when you hear the if they play one, that one was me to talk that time. You understand? So the thing but it makes sense. I don't think you don't hold different female fans for work for this thing.
One babe call me one time, you know, for radio station and say, man, your voice is like butter and milk.
Woo! Butter and milk, ladies and gentlemen. Not be stone and engine oil. Butter and milk. All right, so Stan Iyke on the final P now. How people go take reach you? They want to reach you. Because I know say many people they look forward to seeing how they follow your contact.
Straight up. I know the beat about the bush. Okay. Straight up, Facebook Stan Iyke. Okay. www.facebook.com/Stan Iyke.
Okay, and the Iyke now
STANIYKE.
All right. So now if you know see now spell them properly. All right. So
on Twitter is @Stan Iyke Darlin.
Yes.
The Darlin are DARLIN.
Okay, all right. So, Stanak, you just, here we just round up for the whole team, but we wish you the best, man.
Thank you,
And
man.
of course, I will not say anytime from now, Stanak name and every, that person we first see before, now for the best. I believe say God not they work for anybody.
Yes.
Because you the original, as a theater guy where you be that year, everything they inside body already. So you don't already set to launch, all right? But so they look forward to these bigger things, and of course, we wish you well from the late night show.
Thank you so much.
Oh shit,
Thank you so much.
So when they come back now for Show Yourself, and of course I get Benzi in the building, so if I don't go anywhere and I still the late night show, they come back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now welcome back. Now still the late night show, and of course, and your boy Ogbonge here, and very, very wonderful time I get with my guy, my G, Stan Iyke. Dun 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 dun. Arriba! Little put the two telepete the brutolito. Then a Mexican, Spanish, everything we join now. French, this song right there. Rubbish. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this now, don't enter Show Yourself, and we get Benzi in the building. He go do his own music things. Yes, sir. All right, so Benzi, we'll leave the floor for you now to do your thing. All right, so
all right.
Sharpie, which song you want to do for us now? What's the title of the song? Agatha.
Yep.
Naim, okay. So, all right, so we'll leave in the hands of Benzi. Agatha.
All right.
La 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 la. Cop up.
Benzi.
Mama. Shine. Baby oh, baby come, chick your bum magata oh. Your beauty they be want like avata oh. Make a touch, you no matter oh. You go crash for your mother. La 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 la. Shake up, baby bo. Shake up, ooh bo. Shake up, chunky bo. Shake up, baby bo. Shake up, ooh bo. Shake up, baby bo. Shake up. If you catch you the mo, with you we go build a home. But your beauty they cause no pain. Shy, now waiting me this so. If you now am okay, whether you like it or not, oh, you must follow me go. My tomato just yo, baby come, chick your bum magata oh. Your beauty they be want like avata oh. Make a touch, you no matter oh. You go crash for your mother. La 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 la. Shake up, baby mo. Shake up, ooh mo. Shake up, chunky mo. Shake up, baby mo. Shake up, ooh mo. Shake up, baby mo. Shake up. I want to love you, want it. Baby, you can give me want it. Hey, child, oh, if you know I'm mama, I saw me, I love you so. Baby, mo, mama. Mama, yeah, mama. Baby, mo, mama. Baby, oh, baby, come, chick your bum, magata. Baby, give me what I like, magata. Make a touch, you no matter. You go crash for your mother. If you now am baby go, ooh go, chop go, baby go, ooh go, baby go. She feel my heart anytime I touch her back. She dey feel my swag anytime I come around. You correct oh, mama no say you said oh. You correct oh, your sister no say you said oh. If catching you the mo, with you we go build a home. But your beauty they cause go big. Now waiting be this oh. You go crash for your mother. If you now am oh, baby mo, ooh mo, chunky mo, baby mo, ooh mo, baby mo. Get out on it, wine it on it. Get out on it, wine it on it. Get out on it, wine it on it. Get out on it, wine it on it.
na so much.
Shake your bum bum, huh? Shake. You can't go tongue. Wait till you want shake it just now. Eh? You can't go. They do like this. You know they do. You don't. Yeah. Nothing there now. You can't go. They turn the shows with it. Just please. What's wrong with you? One more time. Let's put our hands together. Some hands together for Benzi. Correct. So say now the bum bum now inspire you to sing this song.
Get one girl. Why is like?
Okay, no, you don't tell us.
Man, yeah.
If I say, get one girl, when I just see this, blah, you're there. No, give us the gist. But how they will say reach you on top social media?
Benzi Salogiwa.
Benzi Salogiwa. On top where?
On Facebook / facebook.com.
Oh, okay, so Benzi Salogiwa.
Yeah.
Say that Salogiwa na Yoruba.
Salogiwa just nickname of person where God don't bless.
Oh, Salogiwa.
Salogiwa.
Which side you come from?
Igbo,
Anambra.
Yeah.
It's Salogiwa. It be like Igbo, it still be like outside, it still sound like Igbo, so it's Salogiwa. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, we want to say a very, very big thank you to all of you now who don't join us for the show. And now see the late night show. We go jam on at same time. And I beg, when I don't forget, say election don't come up. And make una do our best possible to make sure that una vote right. Una vote right. And no wahala, no shaking at all. Nothing they happen for the country. Every of the election pig go peacefully. Say amen now.
Amen.
You don't reach to vote?
I don't reach now.
You hope so you vote? Well, no,
vote.
forget the boys is when they talk past me now. You go say 14 years. I say 13 years, 15 years. But you don't feel like 30 something.
Now they 42.
42.
Yes.
Football age. All right, so thank you very much, everybody. We go jam now. We're gonna sleep well, and of course, we'll continue with this. Biggest shout out to Stan Iyke, big shout out to DJ Easy Beat, and of course, all of the team with it behind the camera. God bless all of you now. Late Night Show, go Twitter at W Late Night Show. Go for us relate. God bless you. Sleep very well. All right, so continue. Shake your bum bum. Shake your. Oh yeah, before now.
Shake your bum bum. Shake your bum bum. In my hand, anytime I touch a bottle.
You gotta say that I'm the babe.
Now waiting be so glad for your mother. Even I am a wake up, baby go wake up, Chucky go wake up, baby go wake up, baby go wake up. Get out on it, whine it on it. Get out on it, whine it on it. Get out on it, whine it on it. Get out on it. I'm ready to